The impact of weaponizing kids. In the complex tapestry of family dynamics, few issues are as fraught with potential for harm as the use of children as pawns or weapons in conflicts between parents. It is a scenario that, unfortunately, plays out in many homes, leaving emotional scars on those who are least equipped to cope with them: our children. This discussion aims to illuminate the detrimental effects of such behavior and offer guidance on how to navigate parental disagreements without involving children. Firstly, it is crucial to acknowledge the innocence and vulnerability of children. They are not equipped to handle adult conflicts, nor should they be expected to bear the burden of their parents' disputes. When parents involve children in their disagreements, whether through manipulation, coercion, or by placing them in the middle of conflicts, they inadvertently communicate that love and approval are conditional. This can lead to confusion, anxiety, and a sense of divided loyalty, where a child feels they must choose sides. Such emotional turmoil can have long-lasting effects, impacting their self-esteem and their ability to form healthy relationships in the future. Moreover, using children as weapons can erode the fundamental trust that should exist between a parent and child. Children look to their parents for security and guidance. When they become the unwitting participants in adult battles, they may begin to view their parents as unreliable or even threatening. This erosion of trust can manifest in behavioral issues, academic struggles, and emotional withdrawal. It is essential for parents to foster an environment where children feel safe and supported, free from the pressures of adult conflicts. Parents must also consider the example they are setting. Children learn about relationships and conflict resolution from observing their parents. When they witness manipulation, deceit, or aggression as tools for resolving disputes, they may internalize these behaviors as acceptable. This can perpetuate a cycle of unhealthy relationships and poor communication skills that extend far beyond the family home. By modeling respectful and constructive conflict resolution, parents can teach their children valuable life skills that will serve them well in all areas of life. So, how can parents avoid the pitfall of using their children as weapons? The first step is self-awareness. Parents must recognize their own motivations and behaviors, understanding that their actions have consequences. It is important to separate the issues at hand from the children involved. Disagreements should be addressed directly between the adults, without involving or burdening the children. This may require setting boundaries and finding constructive ways to communicate and resolve conflicts. Effective communication is key. Parents should strive to express their needs and feelings honestly and respectfully, without resorting to blame or manipulation. This may involve seeking the help of a mediator or therapist to facilitate productive conversations. It is also vital to listen actively and empathetically to the other parent's perspective, acknowledging their feelings and working collaboratively toward solutions. By focusing on the issues rather than personal attacks, parents can create a more positive and cooperative environment. In addition to direct communication, it is important for parents to establish a united front when it comes to parenting decisions. Even if disagreements exist, presenting a consistent and cohesive approach to parenting can provide children with a sense of stability and security. This does not mean suppressing individual opinions, but rather finding common ground and compromising where necessary. It is also important for parents to respect each other's roles and contributions, recognizing that both have valuable insights and skills to offer. Parents should also prioritize the well-being of their children above their own conflicts. This means being mindful of the impact that disagreements and negative behaviors can have on children. It may be helpful to regularly check in with children, providing them with a safe space to express their feelings and concerns. Parents should reassure their children that they are loved unconditionally and that the conflicts between the adults are not their fault. By maintaining open lines of communication and offering emotional support, parents can help mitigate the effects of their disputes on their children. Finally, it is important for parents to seek support when needed. Parenting is a challenging journey, and it is okay to ask for help. Whether through therapy, support groups, or educational resources, there are many avenues available for parents to gain insights and strategies for managing conflicts in a healthy manner. By investing in their own emotional well-being and growth, parents can become better equipped to handle the challenges of co-parenting without resorting to using their children as weapons. In conclusion, the use of children as weapons in parental conflicts is a harmful practice that can have lasting negative effects on both the children and the family as a whole. By recognizing the impact of their actions, communicating effectively, and prioritizing the well-being of their children, parents can navigate disagreements in a way that fosters a positive and supportive family environment. It is a responsibility that requires effort and commitment, but the rewards, healthy, happy children, and a more harmonious family dynamic, are well worth it. Let us strive to create a world where children are shielded from adult conflicts and are allowed to thrive in an atmosphere of love, respect, and understanding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content.